What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Working on the GS300. We're back on this again. Customer got back to me. Vendor said to keep the 4 struts. The front are wrong, but the rears are right. So they told him to go ahead and use the rear ones. So I'm going to install the rear ones, and then he's going to get a refund, and he's going to buy 2 front and then send those to me, and then I'll install the front ones, and then he'll come and pick it up, and deal's done. All right. So I already got the wheels off, so let's get to work. I know I showed you in the other video, but we'll go over it again. All we got to do is take off that 1 bolt right there, 2 bolts right there, pull the carpet in the back, take off those 3 bolts right there, and the whole assembly slides out. And then I use the spring compressor tool that I got right there, compress the spring, take the strut apart, and then put the new strut in. Alright, as you can see, I took out the passenger one. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. It's all oily, so it's definitely blown. But as you can see, I marked them so you can put everything back all in line. And then the driver one, marked. But look how clean this one is. Slightly oily on top. It's just starting to blow, but yeah. It needed all 4, so can't wait to get the front ones and do those ones. But I did have to remove a little bit more. Had to remove the control arm and the sway bar link. Had to disconnect those so this bottom A arm can swing down low enough and I can pull everything out. But other than that, it's the same. Those 2 bolts and then those 3 bolts up there. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Alright, it's another day. I'm going to finish up, or try to finish up, the struts on the GS300. So, let's get to work. Let's unbox these suckers. on lining up these two. These line up automatically. Let's see, where is it? There we go. See, that lines up automatically right there. And then you just line these up. It's not safe yet. Put your face right there, but. Alright, there you guys have it. Not much to see. The 3 top bolts up there, those 2, that one down there, and you got to do the control arm and the sway bar link. Undo those on one side. The other side you don't have to do as much. You don't have to do the sway bar link on the other side, but on this side that's what you got to do. But there you go, installed. Let's go to the other side. There you go. 2 bolts, 3 bolts. And I did tighten everything, all like I said, on suspension parts with a load. So I did that also. Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video.